Hello, here I will show you how to install the window pocket and the associated mounting plate in the Mercedes V-Class. This also fits in the Vito, the Viano, and of course in the Mercedes Marco Polo. For installation, we supply you with this sturdy mounting plate, designed for secure attachment, 2 robust carriage bolts, essential for strong fastening, 2 soft protective felt buttons providing cushioning, 2 versatile toggle screws or ergonomic star knobs, offering flexible securing options, 2 reliable rotary latches ensuring a tight closure, and 2 firm clamping plates for additional stability and grip. And a small bag with black zipper pulls in case you don't like the supplied or existing red zipper pulls. First, let's take a quick look at the mounting plate. At the bottom edge, the mounting plate has a flexible felt border. Depending on the installation side, this can be bent to the left or right. There are non-slip rubber inserts in the cutouts. These ensure that the plate sits securely in the vehicle without slipping and that the seal cannot be damaged. First, we will now install the 2 carriage bolts. Insert the bolt into the hole so that the thread points toward the inside of the vehicle. Then place the clamping plate onto the bolt with the cutout facing down so that you can read the logo. Then place the wing nut on and tighten it. Tighten the nut until the gap between the screw head and the felt plate is completely closed. This causes the square part of the bolt to pull into the metal core of the base plate and be fixed in place there. We proceed in the same way with the second roof. Insert the bolt, place the clamping plate on top, and tighten the wing nut so that the gap in the screw closes completely. For vehicles without pop-out windows, the plate is now ready for use. For vehicles with pop-out windows, there is a special feature here. Where the motor of the pop-out window is located, the felt already has a perforation. This way, it can be easily removed. For this, we need scissors or a utility knife, ideally both. You can easily feel the bridges in the felt and then cut them with the utility knife or scissors. Finally, remove any remaining fringes with the scissors, and you're done. Now the plate is also prepared for vehicles with electric or manual pop-out windows, and now we can move on to the installation. The base plate is mounted in the rear side window. The rubber inserts previously mentioned on the lower edge of the mounting plate are inserted into the window's sealing rubber. The window rubber has a groove running all the way around into which the rubber inserts fit perfectly. The plate is simply set into the groove of the window seal with the rubber feet and then pressed firmly at the top so that the felt edge also clamps into the rubber seal at the top. When the plate is correctly positioned, the felt forms a light tight seal all the way around. Now turn both rotary latches to the vertical position so the plate is wedged firmly between the upper and lower seals. There is a special feature with the Marco Polo. The Marco Polo has a spring roller blind. Simply pull the spring roller blind forward, then insert the plate behind it and let go of the spring roller blind again. Now loosen the wing nuts and remove the transparent clamping element so that the bag can be installed. The rotary latches are not removed, they remain behind the bag. The bag has a Velcro fastener on the underside which sits on the folded felt flap of the mounting plate. On the back, you'll find 2 holes that fit exactly onto the mounting bolts of the plate. Now align the bag with the front edge of the window, attaching the lower Velcro strip to the flap. Place it on the felt plate and press the Velcro strips on the back of the bag more firmly onto the felt plate. Now place the transparent clamping elements so that the logo is readable again onto the threaded bolts and secure them with the wing screw. Tighten the wing screw by hand. We do the same on the other side. With the logo facing forward and readable, place the plate on and tighten it firmly with the wing screw. The bag is now ready for use and holds extremely securely in the window frame. And now the journey can begin. I'm sure we'll see each other again soon when you want to install more great 50-gram mod accessories in your camper van. Until then, we wish you lots of fun and great trips with your Mercedes and the 50 degrees Nord window bag.